Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be talking about Up and Up pre-moistened lens wipes. If you guys would like some more information about Up and Up pre-moistened lens wipes, just be sure to check my video description for that. So I started buying these because, usually when you buy glasses from Pearl Vision or wherever you go, they do give you a cloth to clean your glasses with, but I feel like it always leaves like a residue. I don't know if it's just me or if other people experience this, but it always leaves some kind of residue, and I feel like it doesn't always get them clean. And then I also feel like they don't last that long. And I'm someone that uses my glasses pretty often. Sunglasses, of course, I'm constantly using every day. So I definitely think that this is something that is good to have on you at all times. I usually throw up a couple in my purse, and it just cleans my glasses really well. So they're pre-moistened lens wipes. They clean and shine glass and plastic, streak, residue, and lint-free. And they are quick drying, which they definitely are. They come with 60 lens wipes. They are 5 inches by 6 inches or 12.7 centimeters by 15.2 centimeters. And the 60 count really lasts, like I've had these several months. I don't need to use them every day, but I would say at least once a week I'm using them to clean my glasses, because I can't stand when I'm driving and I have like residue on the glasses. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I just find it so frustrating. I'm like, no, I just need clean glasses so I can see through them, and not deal with like the residue. So it says back here, Up and Up pre-moistened lens wipes are toteable, so you can always have them on hand when your eyewear needs a quick cleanup. That's why I always keep them in my purse. Keep a few in your car, at the office, in your bag, and more. When needed, just wipe and let dry for a streak-free shine. No need to re-wipe with a dry cloth. And I always put extra in my bag because, like, if someone I'm with needs, like, I was just away with my mom and like she needed some lens wipes, I'm like, oh, I have extra. The uses are for eyeglasses and sunglasses. It's totally safe for them. It does not do anything to the glass. It doesn't ruin any kind of color or anything like that. And I think I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I have used them to clean my phone screen and my iPad screen too. So the ingredients are just alcohol, water, and fragrance. I don't know why it says fragrance, because I can't smell anything. They don't have like a scent really. It's just like a slight alcohol scent maybe, but that's it. And it is very slight. Directions are easy. Just open up the pack and remove the wipe. And they're pretty thick. And then unfold and gently use wipe to remove surface dust and grease. If sand or iron powder is on the lens, first rinse the lens with water and the lens will dry instantly. One thing is, I've taken them out of the pack and then started doing something else, and then they dried, so I had to open another one. So be sure when you open these, just make sure you're using it right away so it doesn't dry up on you. And then it has the same directions on the back. This is what the packs look like. One in each little container. Very easy to rip open, so you don't need like a scissor or anything like that to cut them. I just like rip it from the side. And then you could get these like in the store online, and a 60 pack is like really inexpensive. So they're not like an expensive product or anything. That's why it's like good to just have like a couple extra anyway. And I just think that they're just such a lifesaver, because I hate like when I'm driving and it's like, when you're driving and like the sun is setting and the sun's like getting in your eyes and stuff, you want to have your sunglasses on. I don't like to have streaks on my sunglasses during that. It just drives me crazy, because I'm already getting so much sun in my eye from the sun setting that I'm like, I don't need like any residue or anything like fogging up my vision, especially while driving. It just is like a pet peeve and drives me absolutely insane. Of course, keep out of reach of children, and these, no joke, like dry right away. So I would say like a minute or two, and like after you wipe your glasses with it, they'll be completely dry. They are white cloths. They are pre-moistened. So you just rip it open, take the lens wipe out, clean your glasses, then you can toss it and be good to go. So guys, this was my video of the pre-moistened lens wipes by Up and Up 60 counts. Really great product that if you guys wear glasses, even if it's just sunglasses, I suggest having with you, throwing a couple in your car, in your purse. whatever works. So I thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks guys, and have a great day.